Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Andersen, and I'm from the Ballston Spa Veterinary Clinic. We're here today to tell you everything you need to know about parasites in the Northeast, how to protect your pets and your family from these critters. We're talking about ticks, fleas, mosquitoes, and worms, and we're going to give you all the details to protect everyone from those guys. So sit back, relax, and Dr. Danica Salamun is going to start it off telling us all about fleas.
Hi, I'm Dr. Danica Salamun. I'm here to talk about the insect everyone hates, the flea. Everyone would like to think that the dog or cat they've got does not have them, but unless you use a flea comb, it can be very hard to spot these little critters. Itching, scratching, hair loss are the main issues you want to watch for, but we also worry about tapeworms. In kittens, puppies, and the geriatric pets, we worry about blood loss. People can pick up a very debilitating disease called cat scratch fever or Bartonella if their cat is carrying the disease from fleas. So the best prevention is to keep your dog or cat on flea control year-round. This is really important in the wintertime. Our houses are still nice and warm, so we will get fleas there all year round. Fleas will lay up to 40 eggs a day, so you can have a huge infestation by the time spring comes. We recommend the Revolution for cats, and we recommend the Activil for dogs. In addition, your doctor might add Comfortis or Capstar. And if there's a big environmental problem, we might also add a spray like Cyfetrol. If you have a concern about a current flea problem on your dog or cat, please give us a call right away because we would love to get them comfortable as soon as possible.
I'm Dr. Andersen, and I'm talking about ticks. The two big ticks we face in the Northeast are the brown dog tick, some people call it the wood tick, and its a smaller relative that with the bigger problems, which is the deer tick. Ticks are bad for three main reasons. Number one, they carry disease. Number two, they've become a 12-month problem in the Northeast. And number three, they're difficult to repel and kill. Ticks carry disease. They carry Lyme disease, anaplasmosis, ehrlichiosis, and some new emerging diseases that may even be worse. Ticks are a 12-month problem, so you must be vigilant about applying your products every month. The three that we have in the clinic and recommend, number one, the Canine Advantix, which has the permethrin. I must put it on every month. It doesn't last longer than that, especially for the ticks. And the second product is the new one, Activil Tick Plus. Same tick component, the permethrin, very effective on ticks, but has to go on once a month. And if you don't like the topicals, consider the Schellinger collar. It's a 6-month collar, very effective on the ticks. Ticks are nasty. They spread disease that can affect us and our pets both, so it's very important to use a product all year round to take care of them.
Hi, I'm Dr. Stephanie Smith, and I'm here today to talk about mosquitoes. We all know mosquitoes are annoying, but they can be more than annoying to our pets. They can be downright deadly, and that's because mosquitoes are the vector for heartworm disease. Heartworms are parasitic larvae that can be spread when an infected animal is bitten by a mosquito, and then that same mosquito bites our dogs or cats. These parasitic larvae will enter the bloodstream and grow into large worms that can then lodge into the heart and vessels of the lungs, causing devastating side effects. Unfortunately, the prevalence of heartworm disease seems to be increasing in our area and now has become a year-round concern, and that's due in part to the mild winters we've been experiencing over the past several years. The key to protecting your dogs and cats from this devastating disease is yearly testing and once a month year-round heartworm prevention. Here at Ballston Spa Veterinary Clinic, we offer TriHeart Plus, which is a tasty chewable given once a month to your dogs, and Revolution, which is an easy-to-apply topical medication applied once a month to your cat. To keep your pet healthy and free of heartworm disease, make sure to discuss monthly heartworm preventatives at your next visit.
Hi, I'm Dr. Brennan, and I'm here to talk to you about intestinal parasites in our pets. This is a common problem that we see in our pets, and we worry most about things like roundworms, hookworms, and whipworms in our cats and dogs that go outside and eat dirty soil or feces from other animals. We see Giardia, which is an intestinal microscopic organism that dogs and cats can get from drinking out of dirty water like puddles or rivers or lakes. And we do see a lot of tapeworms, which are usually spread either through fleas fleas or from eating a rodent outside, which lots of cats and dogs do. It's very important that we check all of our pets once a year with a fecal test, which is where we're looking for those organisms coming out in the feces. It's very important to just routinely screen, but we also want to check any animal that's having diarrhea, vomiting, or weight loss, as that can be symptoms of parasites also. We do worry a lot about protecting our family as well from these intestinal organisms, which can be passed from animals to people. Children can get things like roundworms and hookworms just from walking around barefoot in the yard. These larvae can actually get in through the skin and can infect children very easily, so we don't want that to happen. People can also get giardia, which causes bad intestinal cramping and diarrhea, and can be passed from pets to people. So we definitely want to protect everybody, check our pets at least once a year, and make sure nobody's picking up these organisms.